This is a 2017 GMC Sierra SLT, green, over gray leather interior, power driver's seat, memory seating on the driver's side, power windows, locks and mirrors, leather wrapped steering wheel, OnStar, Bluetooth for your cell phone, remote start, heated and cooled seats, adjustable pedals, traction control. There's a look at the rear seat, running boards, black aluminum wheels, receiver hitch, backup camera, hard tonneau cover, bed liner. This vehicle is powered by a 5.3 liter V-8 engine, so it's got power. Like all pre-owned vehicles in AutoNation Cadillac, it has a 5-day, 250-mile money-back guarantee.